Welcome to this moment of relaxation and healing. Find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Allow your body to settle into a position that feels both supported and relaxed. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Now, take a moment to notice your body. Feel the weight of it pressing gently into the surface beneath you. Bring your awareness to your breath. Let your breath become soft and steady. Breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. With every breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of calmness and peace. As you continue breathing slowly and deeply, bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a gentle wave of light or warmth resting there. This light is filled with pure healing energy. With each inhale, this healing energy grows stronger. And with each exhale, it begins to flow down through your body, washing away any tension or negativity. Feel this warm, healing energy flow down from the top of your head, slowly moving down your face, relaxing your eyes, your jaw, your neck, and your shoulders. Let this energy wash away any heaviness or stress you may be holding. Breathe it in. Feel it release with every exhale. Let this soothing energy continue down your arms, relaxing your elbows, your wrists, and your hands. Imagine all of the negative energy being released from your body with every exhalation, as though the energy is being gently washed away by the flow of light. Now, bring your awareness to your chest. With each breath in, imagine the healing energy moving deeper into your heart space, soothing any pain, any worries, any anxieties you may be carrying. Let the negative energy soften and dissolve with each exhale. This healing light moves now to your stomach, your back, your hips, and down through your legs. Feel your entire body being enveloped by this soft, nurturing light as it clears away any negative emotions, thoughts, or energies that no longer serve you. As this light continues to move down to your feet, imagine that any remaining negative energy in your body is gently being released and absorbed by the earth beneath you. Picture these energies flowing out of your feet and into the ground, where they are transformed into healing energy by the earth itself. Take a few moments to visualize yourself standing in front of a beautiful, glowing light, full of positive energy and warmth. Step into this light, knowing that it is a symbol of pure healing, of peace, and of renewal. Allow yourself to fully embrace this light, feeling it fill you up with love, positivity, and calmness. Take a few deep breaths here, soaking in the peace and tranquility that surround you. Know that you are safe, grounded, and full of healing energy. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Begin to notice the surface beneath you once more. The sounds around you and the sensations in your body. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to this moment, knowing that you've released any negative energy and are now filled with light, peace, and positive energy. Thank you for allowing yourself this time for healing. Take this calm, positive energy with you as you continue your day. I wish you peace.